Right, in the previous video, we were able to upload our drawings into CostX. In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can actually get our drawing to be in a way that it will be ready for us to measure accurately. What I mean by that is that we have to check the dimensions in the drawing to make sure that they are accurate and they can give us the right quantities. If I want to confirm the dimension that I have here, example, like here I have this dimension from here to here, and it is 1500 millimeter. I can measure this by clicking on this measure distance to confirm that dimension. So I'll just click here and move my cursor just to the other end, and then you can see that that is not giving me accurate measurement. So what I would do in this case is to do what we call calibration of the drawing to make sure that the drawing is it will give me the right quantities. The dimensions will be accurate. So to do that, you will use these icons that are over here, calibrate x-axis, calibrate y-axis, and then you can also change the calibration that you have done if you did not get it correctly from the beginning. So what you do is I can click on the first one, calibrate x-axis. If I click on calibrate axis, it simply means that I have to choose any dimension that is horizontal. And if I choose calibrate y-axis, I will choose any dimension that is vertical, like this one that is like this. So make sure that you understand what I mean. So what you do is, if you click on any of these, so you choose any of the dimensions in the drawing to use it to calibrate the entire drawing for that particular one. So let me use this one, calibrate x-axis. If I click on that, I'll come to my drawing and choose any of the horizontal drawing like this one. So I'm going to click from the beginning of where the dimension started, and then I'll move my cursor. You can see that blue line following my cursor down to where that dimension stopped. So I'll click again, and this window will pop up for me to put the actual measurement that is in the drawing. The actual measurement here is 3000. So I'm going to now put 3000 in here, and I will click OK. By the time I do this, I have calibrated this drawing, and to confirm if this is correct, I will go to measure distance again. I'll just click on it and measure any of the distance or any of the dimension. Let's say from this one from here up to this point, and you can see that this is 3 meters, which means that my calibration is accurate and correct. So I can also calibrate the second drawing, which is the site plan. So I'll open the site plan here by clicking on it, and I can zoom in to see the dimensions. In this case, let's calibrate y-axis. So y-axis is vertical dimension. So I can select calibrate y-axis. I'll click over here, and then I'll click where the dimension started. I'll click here and then move it down, and then I'll click to where it ended, and that dimension is 7340. So I'll put it right in there, 7340, and I'll click OK. So, and I have calibrated this other drawing also. So this is how we can get our drawings, and the dimensions will be correct and accurate for us to measure accurately and get the right quantity. So I'm going to see you in the next video.